What's up, everybody? Logan here. NFT Tiger is back with another brand new platform. So, guys, today we're going to be diving down into what is known as DEX Snapper bot, and I'm sure you will see all the detail. You will surprised to see the potential inside. And I briefly studied that, and looks to me it's perfect for you. And you can buy these bots, and you can start trading with that. You can generate best return from here. So if you're new on my channel, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification. It's a perfect idea for you. You will be updated with the upcoming project also. So here we go. The details is given, each and everything is mentioned, and you need not worry about anything. And I will guide you how you can join that. Here you can see 30,000 plus transactions here. You can see the users and total trading volume. It's huge, and you can see the profit sharing details are given. So basically, it's my responsibility to provide kind of project from where you can generate best return and a trusted platform. So it looks to me that this platform has massive potential inside, and they have a very strong partners community also. You can see the lightning fast, and you can see the core feature about that, and attack protection without MetaMask and connecting. So live profits details. You can see multi-wallet support and next various modes. So all benefits are available under a single platform. So I'm sure you can grab that, and you will see it works for you. And later I will tell you the prices, because there are different types of prices. Here you can see the multi-wallet. You can use 30 wallet at a time. So you can see all the connections of that, and you can see all the details here. Okay, here you can see the various mode, and next you can see the coin snapper bot and pre-sale bot, and you can see the Mami poll bot and contract bot. And here you can see rug poll protections and honeypot protection. Next you can see the tax protection. So each and everything is very safe and secure, and that's what I'm looking for my community. So therefore, because there are a lot of projects available, but this project is special for you. You can generate 10% daily, so it's the best option for you, and I'm sure you will jump in. You can see here the DAX Snapper board's details is given. It's special, general, easy to mod, and all functions are available. How you can get best Snapper board from the spinning and new coins. And here you can see three types of boards are available: Lite and Max Pro, and the prices are different. Here you can see the $49, and it's a relaxation for you for lifetime. And here you can see the semi-automatic trading mode and trading a deposit up to 1,000, and 28 different networks and chains, and 92 different DAGs, 0.1 to 10% daily profit and 20% of commission from the profit. And next you can see the Max. Also, let's discuss about the Max. You can see the $99. Before the price was $400, but now it's for concession. It's a perfect opportunity and limited offer for you, and you can get that. And semi-automatic trading, and all options are available. You can easily study that. 90 different DAXs and 0.1 to 10% daily profit, and 50% of the commission for the profit, and activation of the affiliate programs. So next we see the Max Pro, and it's also a limited offer for you, because $990 original price, but at the moment you can buy with $199. So here you can see the semi-automatic and automatic trading mode and trading deposits. So 28 different networks, 92 different DAXs, 0.2 to 10 daily profit, and 10% of the commission. You can see all the details here. The next is affiliate program with the boost token and reward from the subscription sales, and 1 to 20 and 2 line to 7%. So all the percentages are given, and I'm sure if you join the referral system, you can generate best return and weekly, monthly campaigns, each and everything given. So here's the basic thing started. So let's get started from here. You can see the team was backing up this project, and this team has a very strong team was backing up this project, and none of the project can be successful without active and strong partners community. And links are available, and if you have any question, you can join the links. You can become the member of their community, and you will be updated with upcoming details regarding this. So you can get more detail and more idea about that. And if you have any question and query, so you will be responded as soon as possible if you join them. So here you can see how you can start. You need to post your mail and password, and you have to register yourself. For registration, there is some details you have to put here, like your name, and after that email, password. You need a strong password, and next you have to repeat the password, sponsor ID. So all the details you have to post here, and after that you can easily register yourself, and you can buy these boards, and you will see what kind of benefits these boards has, because each and everything will be clear when you register yourself. So here you go. So I have already logged in, so just click on that, and you have to save your password. It's very important for you. And check your email. You will see the mail, and you can confirm your mail, and after that go back to login. So you can easily log in here. So here you can see I just click on sign in, and you can see all the details from here. Okay, here we go. When I click on that, so you will see the interface like this, and you will see all the details regarding the boats. Here you can see I told you $49, $99, and you can see my username NFT Tiger 786. So active subscriptions, here you can see 7,503, and trade volume, it's huge. I already told you that lots of investor community joining this boat. So here you can see my invitation code. So please don't miss to join my link, because it's very important when you use my referral link. So I can also earn some sort of commission also. Here you can see when up to 10,000 and boost to earn, and next 50,000 unlocking Gala rewards are available, and feature updates details are given, and here you can see the roadmap. Next guys, a dashboard you can see here, and how you can select your currency. It's very simple. You can use any type of currency, and payment method, it's so simple. Just copy the address, and you can easily transfer your payment here, and you can easily buy that. It's just so simple. Okay, next here you can see the details are given. Next guys, आप JMH ले जाएं तो here you can see the details will be available, balance detail, and next all information, daily return, all information will be there. You can easily watch that from here. Okay, so here you can see you can easily swap also, and I already told you there's plenty of options are available under a single platform. So it's a perfect idea to join now. You can use affiliate program, and you can get more reward from here, and you can withdraw also. It's so simple how you can withdraw, so you can easily withdraw from here also. So guys, it's a perfect idea and the perfect time to jump in to grab this opportunity, and I'm sure you can generate best return from here. And you can see here a gem light and sniper board crypto. So इसकी detail भी आपको provided है. So manual buyer किस तरह आप काम कर सकते हैं. Next आपको ISO, Android, Windows and सारी चीज़ों पे यहाँ पे आपको available है. So Snapper boards की पूरी information यहाँ पे आपको provided है. So if there is something missing, you can join me in the comment section. So I will be there always to provide you all the detail regarding any platform. So here you can see the affiliate program, and here you can see the rewards program, income up to 20% of commission for the profit. So all the detail is mentioned. A discount on certain 90%, 50% USDT, यहाँ पे आपको उसकी detail भी आप देख सकते हैं. So each and everything is mentioned here. If you have any question and query, just jump in.